Looking for reliable locksmith services in the Bronx? Sure Lock and Key is here to help. We are your trusted, professional locksmith service provider in the Bronx, New York. Sure Lock and Key offers a comprehensive range of locksmith solutions for residents and businesses. Whether it's an emergency lockout, key replacement, or security upgrade, we've got you covered. Our skilled technicians are available 24/7, ensuring prompt and efficient service whenever you need us. Experiencing a home lockout? Our residential locksmiths will get you back inside safely and quickly. Need to rekey your locks or install new ones? Enhance your home security with Sure Lock and Key. For businesses in the Bronx, we provide advanced commercial locksmith services. From master key systems to access control, we safeguard your business assets and premises. Locked out of your car or need a new car key? Our automotive locksmiths specialize in all vehicle types. We offer car key duplication, transponder key programming, and ignition repair services on the spot. Sure Lock and Key uses only high-quality tools and parts to ensure lasting security solutions. Our commitment to customer satisfaction and fair pricing sets us apart. Contact Sure Lock and Key today for a free consultation or immediate locksmith assistance in the Bronx.